How about the 1957 Oldsmobile Super 88 convertible? Royal glow over black and white. Miles of chrome. 371 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, hydromatic automatic, power steering, and the brakes. And it's got some nifty 50s colors. It's got that look about it. That royal glow is an unusual color.
It is.
It's one that you really got to see in person. It's good you would want to see that in person.
And the interior is quintessential 50s.
Yeah, black and white.
Perfect.